Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to export Canva designs. This is an essential step when we want to use our designs outside of Canva. Let's get started. On our Canva dashboard, let's say we have a project we want to export. This is our project and we want to export it. All we need to do is click the Share button in the upper right corner. We can see the Share button right here. Now we just click Download to begin exporting. After clicking Download, we will see options to choose a file type. We can pick PNG, JPEG, or PDF. For this example, we will go with PNG. Once we have chosen our file type, we simply click the Download button. This lets us save our Canva designs in different formats like PNG, JPEG, PDF, or even video, depending on what we need. It makes our work ready for sharing, printing, or uploading anywhere. Once the download is complete, the file will be saved to our computer. And that's how we export Canva designs. It's a quick and simple way to get our work out of Canva and use it wherever we need.